In this video, we're covering sigma notation. It looks like new maths. It isn't. It's shorthand for something you've been doing since the arithmetic series video. Look at these two. Those are the same thing, identical. The one on the right is just a compressed set of instructions for building the one on the left. That symbol is a capital Greek sigma, and it means add up. So let's label it. Read it from the bottom. R equals 1 is where you start. That's the lower limit. The 5 on top is where you stop. That's the upper limit. R is the index. It's the counter that changes. And the bit on the right is the expression. It's the recipe for each term. So put R equals 1 into 2R plus 1. That's 3. Then R equals 2. That's 5. R equals 3 gives 7. R equals 4 gives 9. And R equals 5 gives 11. Then add everything you made. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is 35. And notice what that list is. It goes up by 2 every time. It's an arithmetic sequence, which means once a sigma gets long, you don't have to write out every term. You can use the series formulas we already have. Example 1. Evaluate the sum from r equals 1 to 4 of 3r. R equals 1 gives 3, 2 gives 6, 3 gives 9, and 4 gives 12. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 is 30. Example 2. Evaluate the sum from r equals 1 to 5 of 2r plus 1. That's the one from the start of the video. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. 35. Example 3. And here's the thing to watch. Evaluate the sum from r equals 3 to 6 of r squared. The lower limit is not 1 this time, it's 3. So we start at r equals 3. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36. 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36 is 86. Read the bottom limit. Don't assume it's 1. Example 4. Evaluate the sum from r equals 1 to 50 of 4r minus 1. 50 terms. You are not writing those out. So work out what kind of sequence it is. R equals 1 gives 3. R equals 2 gives 7. R equals 3 gives 11. It's going up by 4 every time, so it's arithmetic. The first term is 3, and the last term, r equals 50, is 4 times 50 minus 1, which is 199. Now use the sum formula. N over 2 times the first term plus the last term. 50 over 2 times 3 plus 199. 25 times 202. 5,050. Last one. Evaluate the sum from r equals 1 to 8 of 3 times 2 to the r minus 1. Look at the shape of that. A number times a ratio to the power r minus 1. That's geometric. The first term is 3, the common ratio is 2, and there are 8 terms. So use the geometric sum formula. 3 times 2 to the 8th minus 1 over 2 minus 1. 2 to the 8th is 256, minus 1 is 255, over 1. 3 times 255 is 765. And you can check that on your calculator. Most models let you type sigma notation in directly. That's sigma notation, and that's the whole sequences and series section. The next video starts a new block, the laws of logarithms.